Hey everyone, it's Nico. I'm out here in Miami on the iconic Venetian Causeway. It's January 1st, 2025, and what better way to start off the year than capturing the stunning 2025 Miami skyline. If you're new here, welcome to Nico Flies LLC, your go-to channel for breathtaking drone videography. Let's get to it. So today my plan is to record the Miami skyline from south to north, starting at the Rickenbacker Causeway and going all the way up to the Julia Tuttle Causeway. To get the best shots, I'll be filming from 3 different spots because the drone signal isn't strong enough to capture everything from one location. The first stop is going to be Jade Residences in Brickell, where we'll get incredible views of the south part of the skyline. Next, I'll head to Bayfront Park to capture the heart of downtown Miami and waterfront. Here in the video, it also is showing you Freedom Tower, the Miami Heat Arena, and then also the Performing Arts Center. And finally, we'll wrap up at the Venetian Causeway Park for some panoramic shots of the northern end of the skyline. Alright, we're at stop 1, Jade Residences in Brickell. I have the DJI Air 3. I rode the Rad Power Bike down here, about to take off. From here, there are absolutely amazing views, especially early in the morning with the sunlight shining bright on the buildings. So right here, I'm taking it back from the Jade Residences. Right off there to the right, you can see Brickell Key, an artificial island created in the 1940s using material dredged from the Miami River. I'm going here south. You can see the Jade Residence there, and then all the way south to eventually the Rickenbacker Causeway. The Rickenbacker Causeway, named after Eddie Rickenbacker, a World War I flying ace. This iconic bridge connects Miami to, over there to the left, Key Biscayne. Built in 1947, it was originally just a toll road, but has now since become one of the most scenic drives in South Florida, popular with cyclists, runners, and anyone looking for an incredible view. There's Miami Beach off there to the north, and then heading back over to the south, we have the Una Residences in Brickell, still under construction, 4 Seasons Hotel in Miami. So back to the Rickenbacker Causeway. As you can see here, I have zoomed in on my camera. I'm flying the DJI Air 3. This is a 3x optical zoom. Both cameras, whether the 24mm or the 70mm, are 1/1/3 inch sensor. I'm showing a panoramic view from the south facing end all the way up to the north facing end of Brickell. As you can see here, this is the Hyatt-centric Brickell, Miami. Brickell is often referred to as the Manhattan of the South. Back in 2000 or 2005, this area did not look anything like it looks like today. The development is just happening so fast. As you could see here in the middle of the screen, that is Brickell Key. Plans are advancing for the residences at Mandarin Oriental, Miami. There are going to be 2 towers, with the south tower rising 850 feet with 66 stories. This is going to be one of the biggest developments here in the heart of Miami and Brickell and Brickell Key. Alright, next spot, Bayfront Park. Bayfront Park was established in 1925 and eventually redesigned in the 1980s. It's a historic Miami landmark featuring the Torch of Friendship, the Challenger Memorial, and the FPL Solar Amphitheater. As you can see here, I'm ripping around Biscayne Bay. Found a nice couple of yachts, cool to rip around. There's the Miami Ferris wheel, the Hard Rock Cafe. This is like the heart of Bayfront Park, right in the center with all the shops. Here I am flying in the mouth of the Miami River. This is where Brickell to the left connects downtown Miami to the right. As you can see here, this is the Aston Martin Residences, a beautiful skyscraper at 816 feet. Here are more views of downtown Miami. To the right there is the MacArthur Causeway coming over from Miami Beach to Miami. There's Bayfront Park, and then looking more south from downtown into Brickell and Brickell Key. Here I am with the 70mm lens. This is all downtown Miami, MacArthur Causeway going into Miami. There's the Miami Heat Arena. One standout for the future is going to be the Waldorf Astoria Miami, set to become the tallest building in the city at 1,049 feet tall upon completion. This is going to feature a striking stacked cube design with luxury residences and a hotel. It just really goes to show how much Miami is changing. Alright, the third and final stop, the Venetian Causeway. As you can see here from my Meta Ray-Ban footage, I'm riding the Rad Power Bike. I'm getting my drone out of the bag that I have. As you can see, I have the Air 3 there, the remote controller. I have the DJI mic system set up, also carrying around a DJI Neo. Alright, here we are in the air. As you can see there to the south and on the left, there is the Rickenbacker Causeway, Brickell Key, Brickell, downtown Miami. In the middle there, that's the MacArthur Causeway. Right in the middle there, that's the Venetian Causeway, which is a very pedestrian friendly bridge with nice bike lanes that connects Miami and Miami Beach together. As you can see here, I'm using the 1x 24mm, switching over to the 3x 70mm optical zoom on the DJI Air 3. So here we are in Edgewater, Miami. This is located along Biscayne Bay, just north of downtown. It's become a hotspot for luxury waterfront apartments with sleek new developments. Due to its proximity to the Design District and Wynwood, it's becoming a very new upscale area for construction. As you can see here, the Aria Reserve is almost complete with the second tower halfway done. And you can see the Elysee Miami, a 57-story boutique tower with just 2 units per floor. Here is Margaret Pace Park, a beautiful Biscayne Bay park located next to the Quantum on the Bay, the Aria, also very close to the Venetian Causeway right here. Coming up here we have Miami's new signature bridge, a stunning arch design. It's part of the I-395 reconstruction project. As you can see here, I'm on my e-bike making a left off of the MacArthur Causeway. This is all part of a project called the Underdeck, a 33-acre public park designed to reconnect neighborhoods historically divided by the highway. And here we are continuing our tour from Edgewater back into downtown, eventually back into Brickell. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. The first day of 2025 was awesome recording this SKYLINE. I'm really excited to see how much it's going to change in the future. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also, please feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think and how you think the Miami SKYLINE is eventually going to change as well. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great 2025.